students, today we discuss about some important JEE Mains, previous JEE Mains bits. Our chapter is electromagnetic waves. So this is a very important chapter. So for JEE Mains, okay. So in this case, problem number 1. In the problem number 1, a plane electromagnetic wave of frequency 50 megahertz travels in a free space along the positive x direction. So this is the very important point out there. So here electromagnetic wave is moving in the x direction at a particular point in space and time. Here E bar is the electric field intensity of the electromagnetic wave, that is 6.3 J cap volt per meter. So in the case of J cap means it is a basic unit vector along the direction of y axis. So along the direction of y axis. So then the corresponding magnetic field B bar. So now we can find out the magnetic field induction, that is the magnetic field strength of the electromagnetic wave, find out cheyali. Now you can find out the value of the magnetic field induction and its direction also. So that is a B bar at that point will be. So here options are, 4 options are there. First one is 1.89 into 10 power minus 8 K cap Tesla, and another one is, second one is 6.3 into 10 power minus 8 K cap Tesla, and this third option is 2.1 into 10 power minus 8 K cap Tesla, and the fourth option is 18.9 into 10 power 8 K cap Tesla. So you can solve this problem. First of all, in this problem, the electromagnetic wave passing through the along x-axis, this one. So here C is the speed of the electromagnetic waves. Its value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 10 power 8 meter per second. So now in this case, so this is the E bar, this is the B bar, this is the A bar, this is the B bar, and this one also A bar, this one also B bar. So here the cross product of E bar and B bar is equal to C bar. So therefore the cross product of E bar cross B bar is equal to C bar. So we know that C equal to E bar dot B bar. Here E naught is the maximum amplitude or maximum value of the electric field intensity. Here B naught is the maximum value of the magnetic field induction. So therefore E naught by B naught, that is equal to C. Here C is the velocity of the electromagnetic wave. So therefore in this case it is given value is E naught. So here E naught is the 6.3 J cap. So now when the E bar cross B bar equal to C bar, then here C bar in the given problem, C bar along x-axis, and E bar along y-axis. Why? Because so here this is the j cap. Here j cap is the basic unit vector. This unit vector along y-axis. Along y-axis. Now, when the b bar is along the direction of the perpendicular to E bar and C bar. E bar and C bar. So now the perpendicular direction of the xy plane, these are the two components, xy plane is z axis. So now k cap is the basic unit vector along the z axis. So therefore you can find out the b naught is equal to E naught by C. Here E naught is the 6.3 by C means 3 into 10 power 8. So here 3 2.1 time cancellation. So therefore 2.1 into here this one is 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8. So now its direction along z axis. So now b bar along z axis. So therefore along z axis, that is the basic unit vector passing through z axis is k cap. So this one is k cap. So here b naught equal to 2.1 into 10 power minus 8 k cap Tesla. Tesla. Here T means not a time. It is a unit of magnetic field induction. Magnetic field strength is Tesla. So therefore its answer is B naught equal to 2.1 into 10 power minus 8 k cap Tesla. So here option is C. Option is C. Next, second problem in the same chapter. If the magnetic field of a plane electromagnetic wave is given by its speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and b bar is equal to 100 into 10 power minus 6 sine 2 pi into 2 into 10 power 15 t minus x by c. So then the max means maximum. Then the maximum electric field associated with it is. So here option number 1 is 4 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. B is 4.5 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. C is 6 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. D is 3 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. So you can solve this problem. So here velocity of light in vacuum 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So this is the given torque, and b bar equal to magnetic field induction of the electromagnetic wave. B bar equal to 100 into 10 power minus 6 sine 2 pi into 2 into 10 power 15 t minus x by c. So it can be written as b bar equal to b naught sine omega t plus phi naught. So in this case, this part is treated as b naught. Here b naught is the maximum magnetic field intensity or field strength. So magnetic field strength. So now you can find out the E naught. Here E naught is the maximum electric field strength. Okay. So now using the formula, that is C equal to E naught by B naught. So this is the using the formula. In this formula, you can find out the E naught. So E naught equal to C into B naught. We know that C means velocity of light, 3 into 10 power 8 into. Here B naught means this one, 100 into 10 power minus 6. 100 into 10 power minus 6. So in this case, 3 into 10 power 8 into 100 means 10 square. 10 square into 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. So therefore, E naught is equal to, so this one 3 into 10 power 8 into 10 power minus 4. That means 3 into 10 power 4. 3 into 10 power 4. Its units is Newton per Coulomb. Why? Because electric field equal to F by Q. So here F is the force. So SI unit is Newtons. Here Q is the charge, that is the Coulomb. So therefore E naught equal to 3 into 10 power 4 Newton per Coulomb is the maximum electric field intensity or strength. So its option is, the right option is D. 3 into 10 power 4 Newton per Coulomb. Okay. Now problem number 3. A 27 milliwatt laser beam has a cross sectional area of 10 millimeter square. The magnitude of the maximum, now you can find out the maximum electric field in this electromagnetic wave. It is given by here, given epsilon naught, that means permittivity of the free space. That means epsilon naught is the 9 into 10 power minus 12 SI units, and C is the velocity of light passing through vacuum, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So now the options are A 1 kilovolt per meter, B 2 kilovolt per meter, C 1.4 kilovolt per meter, and D 0.7 kilovolt per meter. So now you can solve this problem. So here this one, so in this problem given data is first of all power P equal to 27 milli. Here milli means 10 power minus 3 watts, and area of cross section A equal to 10 millimeter square. 10 millimeter square. So 1 millimeter equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. So millimeter square means 10 into 10 power minus 6 meter square. So 1 millimeter equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. So 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter, that means 10 power minus 6 meter square. So it is converted to SI unit. And then epsilon naught, its value 9 into 10 power minus 12 in SI units. And velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So these are SI units. Okay. Now you know that intensity of the intensity of the electromagnetic wave. So here EM wave means electromagnetic wave. So I equal to power by area is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E naught square into C. This one is the formula. So this is the intensity of the electromagnetic wave is P by A. Here P is the power, here A is the area, is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E naught square into C. So here E naught is the maximum electric field intensity. Here C is the velocity of light. So now we can find out the E naught. We can find out the E naught. Question mark. Okay. So now these values is substituted in the formula. Therefore, here P is 27 into 10 power minus 3 by here A is 10 into 10 power minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power minus 12 into, so you can find out the E naught. So here it is E naught square into C 3 into 10 power 8. So now here 27 into 10 power minus 3. This one is 10 power minus 5. So it is replaced to numerator 10 power plus 5 is equal to E naught square. So this one is into 2 by 9 into 10 power minus 12 into 3 into 10 power 8. So here 9 3 times cancel, so here 3 cancel. So therefore in this case 2 into 10 square, 2 into 10 square by, so in this one, so that is here 10 power minus 12 into 10 power 8, that means 10 power minus 4 is equal to E naught square, E naught square. So therefore this value is E naught square is equal to, this one is 2 into 10 power minus 4 is shifted to numerator, that is 10 power 6, 10 power 6. So here in this case E naught equal to root over 2 into 10 power 6. So that means root 2 into 10 power 3. We know that root 2 value is 1.414. So therefore E naught equal to 1.4 into 10 cube, 10 cube. So here E naught means volt per meter. So volt per meter means equal to V by D. So here volt per meter, here a distance, that is, so therefore 1.4 volt per meter. So in this case these answers are in terms of kilovolts. So here 10 cube is the kilo. So therefore its answer is 1.4 kilovolt per meter. So this is the final answer. So here E naught is the maximum electric field intensity. So option number C is the correct option. Now problem number 4. A plane electromagnetic wave travel in free space along x direction. So here electromagnetic wave direction is along x axis. The electric field component of the wave at a particular point of space and time is equal to 6 volt per meter. Here electric field intensity equal to 6 volt per meter along y direction. So then find the magnetic field component B would be. So now we can find out the magnetic field intensity along the direction, and also you can find out the B. So in this problem velocity of electromagnetic wave, that is C, along the direction of x axis. At the same time, here E, that is electric field intensity, that is equal to 6 volt per meter along the y direction. Along the y direction. So you know that E bar cross B bar equal to C bar. So here C bar along x axis, E bar along y axis. Now here B bar along the direction of perpendicular to the xy plane. Perpendicular to the xy plane. Perpendicular to the xy plane is z axis. So therefore B bar along z axis. So now you can obtain the axis also there, but you can find out the value. So therefore you know that C equal to E naught by B naught. So therefore B naught equal to E naught by C. Here E naught is the 6 by, here C is the 3 into 10 power 8. 3 into 10 power 8. So therefore 3, 2 times are cancelled. So therefore B naught is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 8. So here unit of magnetic field induction, that is Tesla. So its direction is along z axis. Z axis. So now the correct option is third option, that is C, 2 into 10 power minus 8 Tesla along z axis. Okay, thank you.